students. Today we are back with our new video, statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is basically the collection, the organization, the analysis, the interpretation and the representation of data. Okay, now there are different forms to represent a data. It may be in tabular form, it may be in graphical form, it may be in histogram, bar graph. We have already discussed these chapters or these forms in class 9. In class 10, we will discuss about only 3 topics, that is mean, median and mode. And in this video, we will particularly learn about the topic of mean. Okay, so let's start the mean. Mean is basically average. So in this video, we will discuss about the various forms to solve the mean. Okay, now we will see the ungrouped data and grouped data. First, we will take an example of an ungrouped data. What is an ungrouped data? Means, see, these are all individual marks. See the sum. The marks obtained by 12 students in a monthly test are 11, 19, 7, 13, 18, 21, 9, 5, 20, 17, 16 and 21. So these are the marks of 12 students and the individual marks. So what is the average? Average means the sum of the marks divided by number of students. That is, we will add all the numbers and we will divide by the number of students. That is, see, the mean equals to 11 plus 19 plus 7 plus 13 plus 18 plus 21 plus 9 plus 5 plus 20 plus 17 plus 16 plus 21 divided by number of students. Number of students means 12. Okay, so divided by 12, that is 177 divided by 12. So this is the addition of the marks, that is addition of all the marks divided by the number of students. Okay, that is 177 by 12. Now we will divide, simple division. That is 14.75. So the mean of the marks obtained by 12 students in a monthly test is 14.75. So this is the mean of an ungrouped data. Now we will see some example of grouped data, but that will be a discrete data. Okay, so just pause the video and note it down. We will shortly move towards the discrete data. See, group data can be classified into discrete and inform of class. So in this sum, we will see about the discrete data. What is discrete data? Now see, just see this example. Gain in weight in kg and number of children. This number of children, we can also denote this by F, that is the frequency. Frequency means that number of students or number of children, whatever is given in the sum. See, 1.5, that means 4 children are there whose gain in weight is 1.5 kg, who gained their weight by 1.5 kg. 5 children are there who gained their weight by 2 kgs. 8 children are there who gained their weight by 4 kg, sorry. 5 children are there who gained their weight by 3 kg. 2 children are there who gained their weight by 3.2 kgs. And 1 child is there who gained his weight by 3.4 kg. Now, to solve this sum, we have to represent this in form of a table, that is in a tabular form. So just see, we will write 1, 2, 3 columns. Just see. First column, we will write gain in weight. Okay, and we will denote it by x1. The next column will be number of children. Number of children. And we will denote it by F1. Okay, so this is frequency. Now, the third column will be F1 into X1. That is the multiplication of these two columns. Now see, 1.5. that is the gain in weight is 1.5, that is in kg. Okay, how many child are there, or sorry, how many children are there? 4. Therefore the gain in weight will be 1.5. say f1 into x1, f1 into x1, that is 1.5 into 4, that is 6 kgs. Okay, the second one is 2, gain their weight by 2 kg. How many children are there? 5. Therefore f1 into x1 will be, that is 5 into 2, 10. Okay, now 2.4, 2.4 f1, that means the frequency will be 8, that is 19.2. Okay, now 3, how many children are there? 5. Therefore frequency will be 5, that is 5 into 3 will be 15. Okay, now 3.2, 3.2, the number of children is 2, that is frequency is 2, that is 3.2 into 2 will be 6.4. now 3.4, frequency is 1, so 3.4 into 1 will be 3.4. now the formula to solve mean is summation of f1 x1 by summation of f1, that is summation means the addition, summation, this is the sign of summation. Okay, the summation of f1 x1, summation of f1 x1, that is we will add all this. Okay, the addition of all the f1 and x1 will be the summation of f1 x1. so if we will add this, we will see the summation will be 60. Okay, and the frequency, this is the summation of f1, that is the sum of the frequency. 4 plus 5, that is 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 2, that is 24, plus 1, that is 25. This is 25. So the formula of mean is summation of f1 into x1 divided by summation of f1. Okay, so this is the main formula of solving mean. Okay, that is summation of f1 and x1 means 60, and this is, that is 25. so just divide it, 60 by 25, that is 2, 50, 10, 2.4. Therefore the mean of this discrete group data of the gain in weight of the children is 2.4. So this is how we solve the discrete data of a grouped data. Okay, now we will move towards the class interval, or the group data that is given in the class interval or in the form of a class. There also we will study the 3 types, or by 3 ways. One is the direct method, number 2 is the assume mean method, and or the shortcut method, and number 3 is the step deviation method. So just pause the video and note it down. We will shift towards our next example. See, this is an example of a group data in form of class. We will solve this particular sum by these 3 methods, that is the direct method, the shortcut method, and the step deviation method. Now first of all we will start with the direct method. Now to solve this sum we have to make 4 columns. That is, number 1, the class interval. Okay, next the class mark. Third, the frequency. And fourth, see, the class mark will be represented by x1 and the frequency will be represented by f1. Okay, and just like the previous sum, the next column will be f1 into x1. Okay, now the class interval. What is the class interval? Here say the class, that is 84 to 90. Okay, 84 to 90, that is the class interval. This is the upper class and this is the lower class, and this is the upper class limit. Okay, so class mark. First of all I am writing the classes, okay, and along with their frequencies. That is 8. 90 to 96, it will be 12. 96 to 102, it will be 15. Okay, 102 to 108, 102 to 108, it will be 10, and 108 to 114, it will be 5. Okay, now what is the class mark? Here it is given f1 into x1. So how can we multiply 8, that is the frequency, with a class interval, that is here from 84 to 90. So how can we multiply a class, total class, that is an interval, with a number? It's not possible. An interval cannot be multiplied with a frequency. So here it may be 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, whatever. So it's not possible. So to generalize or to make the calculation much more easier, here we have to calculate the class mark. What is class mark? Class marks means the mid value. This is the mid value of this class interval. So how will we calculate the mid value? We will add the upper limit with the lower limit and will divide it by 2. That is, say 84 plus 90. Okay, that is 174 divided by 2. 174 divided by 2 means that is 887. Okay, so the middle value or the mid value of this class interval is 87. Okay, now the next one, the same way, that is 90 plus 96 by 2, that will be 93. Okay, the next one, that is 96 plus 102, sorry, by 2, that is 99. Okay, the mid value of 96 to 102 will be 99. The next one, that is 102 to 106, that is 102 to 108, that will be 105. And the last one, that is 108 to 114, will be 111. See, a shortcut method is there. Just see the class interval, that is the class width, basically the class width, that is 84 to 90, the class width is 6. Okay, in every case, say 90 to 96, it's also 6. That is 96 to 102, it's 6. 102 to 108, it's also 6. And 108 to 114 is also 6. Now just see a trick. This is 87. I have first calculated the class in mark of the first class. Now just add 6 with each term. We will get the class mark of the next class interval. Just see, 87 plus 6, that is 93. 93 plus 6, that is 99. 99 plus 6, that is 105. And 105 plus 6, that is 111. So we will not have to calculate each time. We'll first calculate the class mark of the first interval, then we'll notice the class width. This is the class width. Okay, so class width, just add the class width with the former, we will get the latter one. Okay, now I'm just rubbing this. 87 into 8, that is 696. 93 into 12, that is 1116. 99 into 15, that is 1485. 105 into 10, that is 1050. And 111 into 5, that is 555. So this is the product of the frequency with the class mark. Okay, now again the summation of f1 x1, the summation of f1 x1, that is we have to add all these. Okay, so this is the summation of f1 x1, that is 4902. Okay, that is 4902. Now we have to add or find the summation of the frequency, that is summation of f1. So we'll add 8 plus 12, that is 20. 20 plus 15, 35. 35 plus 10, that is 45. 45 plus 5, that is 50. Now again the same formula, that is summation of f1 x1 by summation of f1, that is 4902 by 50. Now we will divide, that is 98.04. This is the answer, that is 98.04. This is by the direct method. Now we will solve it by the same sum with shortcut method. Okay, so we will write d1. Okay, d1. What is d1? d1 means x1 minus a. Now what is a? A means the assume mean, the shortcut method. The other name of shortcut method is assume mean method. So why we are doing in different form? Why we are using different form, three different forms, to make the calculation much more easier. Okay, just see. Now we will assume a. So just see, we will assume 99. This is the middle one. We consider 99 as the assume. Okay, assume, that is a equals to 99. Now just see, we will subtract, that is x1 minus of a, that is 87 minus 99. 87 minus 90, that is 2 minus 12. Okay, 93 minus 99. 93 minus 99 means minus 6. 99 minus 99, that is 0. 105 minus 99. See, x1 minus a, that is x1 minus of this assumed one, that is 87 minus 99. 93 minus 99. 99 minus 99. 105 minus 99, that is 6. And 111 minus 99, that is 12. Now the next column, okay, the next column will be f1 into d1. f1 into d1. Now we will multiply the frequency, that is f1 with the d1. Now see, the calculation is much more simpler. That is minus 12 into 8, that is minus 96. 12 into minus 6, that is minus 72. 15 into 0, that is 0. 10 into 6, that is 60. 12 into 5, that is also 60. Okay, now we will just find the sum of this f1 d1, that is summation of f1 into d1. 60 plus 60, that is 120, and that is 120, and 96 and 72 means, just see, 8, 16, that is minus 168. Okay, that is minus of 48. Okay, this is minus 48. Now frequency, that is summation of f1, it's already written, that is 50. Okay, now the formula of calculating or finding the mean by assume mean or shortcut method, the rest is same, so I have not changed that. These three columns are same as of the previous one. Okay, since we are doing the same sum with different process or different method, to simplify the calculation, we are doing this method, we are applying this method. Now the formula of finding the mean by assume mean or shortcut method is a plus, what is f1, summation of f1 d1 by summation of f1, that is a plus of, that is minus 48 by 50, that is 9, just substitute 99 over here. We have taken a as 99, therefore 99 minus 48 by 50. Okay, that is 99 minus 0.96. okay, that is 98.04. so this is the answer. We have already checked the previous one, the answer was 98.04. Here also the answer is 98.04. okay, so this is how we are solving the mean of a group data, that is in a form of class, by this shortcut method. So the answers will be same, we have just checked it. Okay, now just pause the video and note it down. Now we will solve this particular sum by the step deviation method, the same one. Okay, I'm just rubbing this one, this formula and the calculation. Okay, now we'll keep this three columns intact, we will just change these two columns. Okay, now just rub this one. So these three columns are intact, and the assumed mean is also intact. Now the fourth column will be U1. What is U1? U1 means that is D1 by H. What is D1 and what is H? In the previous sum we have already calculated D1. D1 means that is x1 minus A. A means the assumed one, that is 99 over here. So D1 and H means the class width. H here signifies the class width. Okay, the class width. Here the class width means 84 to 90, that is 6. We have already discussed over here 6. Therefore, the D1, that is x1 minus A, the calculation of x1 minus A will be divided by the class width, that is H. Okay, now see. Again, 87 minus 99. 87 minus 19. D1 means we know that D1 equals to x1 minus of A. Okay, so just calculate the D1. D1 means that is 87 minus 99. That means minus 12. Minus 12 by H. Minus 12 by H. H means class width. That is minus 2. Okay. 93 minus 99. D1. D1 means x1 minus A. Again, that is 93 minus 99. That is minus 6. Therefore, minus 6 by class width. That is minus 6 by 6. Minus 1. Now 99 minus 99, that is 0. 0 by 6 will be 0. Simple. Now 105 minus 99, that is 6. 6 divided by 6, because the class width is 6. That is 6 divided by 6 will be 1. Okay. 101 minus 99, that is 12. 12 is the x1, sorry, D1. And D1 by H, that is 12 by 6, that is 2. Okay. Now the last column, that is, I'm rubbing it, okay. The last one is F1 into D1. Now we will multiply the column, sorry, U1. We have selected U1 over here. That is F1 into U1. That is F1 into U1. 8 into minus 2. That is minus 16. 12 into minus 1. Minus 12. 15 into 0. That is 0. 10 into 1. That is 10. 5 into 2. That's also 10. Now, just like the previous one, we will find the summation of F1 into D1. This is the summation sign. That is F1 into D1. See, 16 and 12, that is 28, that is minus 28, 10 plus 10, that is 20, that is minus 8. I have just made a small mistake. I have written over F1 D1, but it will be F1 U1. Just correct it. It will be F1 into U1. Okay. Now, just see, minus 16 plus minus 12, that is minus 28, and 10 plus 10, that is 20. So the summation will be minus 28 plus 20, that is minus of 8. And the summation of the frequency, that is F1, it's intact, that is 50. Okay. Now what is the formula of finding the mean by step deviation? We have already learned about the formula of direct method and shortcut method. Now what is the formula of finding out the mean by step deviation method? Step deviation method's formula is A plus summation of F1 into U1 by summation of F1 into H. H means the class width. We have already calculated the class width as 6. Okay, that is H is equal to 6. 84 to 90, the class interval, that is the class width is 6. Okay, now just substitute the values. A means 99. Summation of F1 U1, that is minus 8 by 50 into H, that is 6. Okay, now we can write 99 minus 48 by 50, that is 99 minus 0.96, that is 98.04. So see, just match the three answers. All the three answers are 98.04, but we have calculated these sum in different methods, three different methods. To simplify the calculation, we are using different methods. Okay, so this is what we can say how we will solve the mean of a group data by the three methods, that is direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So student, please pause the video to note it down. A very important part is left in this mean video, that is in the previous one we have done the same sum with the three methods, but the class interval was continuous. Okay, that is 84 to 90, 90 to 96, 96 to 102, 102 to 108, 108 to 114. That is, it's continuous. Okay, but see in this case it is 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. Now see, this is 5 and here it is starting from 6. Here it is 10 and the next one is starting from 11. So this is discontinuous. To make it continuous, we have to just subtract 0.5 from the first one, that is the lower class, and we have to add 0.5 with the upper class. Just see, that is 1 minus 0.5 will be 0.5 and we will add 0.5 with the latter one or the higher class mark, that is 5 plus 0.5, that is 5.5. Now subtracting 0.5 from the lower class limit, that is 6 minus 0.5, it will be 5.5, and adding 0.5 with the upper class limit, that is 10.5. Again subtracting 0.5 from 11, that is the lower class limit of the third class. This is the first class, this is second class, this is third class, this is fourth class, and this is the fifth class. Now subtracting 0.5 from the lower class limit of the third class, that will be 10.5, and adding 0.5 with the upper class limit of the third class, that is 15.5. Again coming to the fourth class, subtracting 0.5 from the lower class limit, that is 15.5 to adding 0.5, that is 20.5. The same process we are repeating, that is 20.5 to 25.5. Just see, now it's continuous. 0.5 to 5.5, now it is starting from 5.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 25.5, and the rest is same as before. Just if we are given a class interval in discontinuous form, we have to first make it continuous, then we'll repeat the same process as we have done the earlier, that is the three steps. If it is given by applying shortcut method or by applying direct method or by applying the step deviation method, in any method, if the class interval is given in discontinuous form, we have to first find the true class limit. This is the true class limit, and then the repetition of the any formulas, okay, that is has been given to you. So this is all about the mean in this part. In the next video we will discuss about the median. Okay, thank you students.